Hi everyone, this is Izzy here. Okay, this is part 3 of the tilt motor. This is the reassembly, okay, and I'm going to show you. So basically, I did everything, put everything back together, and this is what it looks like. You see? These are all the new parts. Got the fuse assembly back on here. I got one, this is this is for the downside. This is for the upside. These are the relays. 1, 2 relays. This is a fuse that goes here. Here's the connector that goes to the boat, of course, and then the 2 lines. These are the power wires that go to the batteries, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the garage, and I'm just gonna basically hook it up to my lawnmower, of course, you know, just so I could test it and make sure that I have power on both sides and that it works. If it does, then I'm gonna take it. My next step will be is to take it to the boat and then, you know, install it inside the boat. Okay? All right. See you soon.